Hello, welcome back to my office. I hope you're well, wherever you are in the world. Let's get on with it. As you can see, I've got my spreadsheet open, Excel sheet. This is where I was last time at it, quite a long time actually. It's probably over a month, so I have stopped executing bets on William Hill or on my Betfair account. Since I started using the new software, I was able to generate few trebles using that new software that is loading on this machine right now. I was just getting it updated, so it's going to pop on a screen anytime now. If not, then I'll get it going manually. So in the meantime, I'll continue looking through this, my old spreadsheet, as you know, the one that I have shown you many times, and you know where to download it. This is a free spreadsheet, an Excel file, and once you have the program to open this file, you can use it for free. The problem here is that I need to jump over now to a current date. Let's have a quick look how many possibilities I have missed, which I'm not feeling bad about it. There was probably a few Belgium First Division B that probably wasn't available, Australia A-League that probably wouldn't be of any interest to me. By the way, using the new software, I was able to generate a few trebles. A few of them have worked, few of them haven't. So I wasn't that impressed actually with the results I was getting with this software. And as a result, I have stopped placing bets on the account. There were maybe 2 or 3 losses that have made the balance a bit lower. And that's no problem. You can always expect in sports and sports betting, sports trading, some ups and downs. You can always expect your balance to fluctuate, to go up and down. It's not going to be going only up in a straight line, you know that. At least I hope you know. So Malta probably wasn't a good selection for me anyway. It's England Championship, that's usually not something that I'm adding to my trebles. England National, then I've had some Saudi Arabia, obviously that wouldn't be of an interest to me. As you know, I'm only interested in the first league. I have slightly deviated from the original strategy. I have updated it a little bit since I first started doing it, and I've added the other exchange or the betting account, however you would prefer to call it. Betfair I've added to the William Hill, so now I can use 2, but from my observations I could see that Betfair basically had the same selections as were available on the William Hill account, and that was a bit of a problem because I was expecting actually to have a little bit more of selections, more teams available, because the new software, the CGM bet that I'm using right now to generate to actually pick the teams that have the chance to score at least 2 goals in a game or more. The only strategy that I'm using is over 1.5 goals in a game for any football games. Not any football games, but the selected teams one. So we will see whether the software will pop up open in a minute. It might not actually, because that was the first time I think I was updating it. There was an update available and I clicked on it. So if not, then I'll open it in a minute now, manually, as I said. Okay, let's carry on with the old spreadsheet, Excel sheet. Malta, there were Malta. Nothing of interest to me. There was Israel. Saudi Arabia, there was Rimini, Italy, Serie C, Group B, that was possibly available there on the bookie account. Okay. Italy Serie C. Anyway, next was Italy Serie C again. I'll jump quicker to get to a recent date. It's 17th. Oh, it is only 17th of December already. So I wasn't really that far off it. There was not that many selections. I think I wasn't looking at it right. 11th of December. Yes, it wasn't even a month since I stopped playing. It's so I think last time I was on it on about 11th of December, and now it's nearly the end of the month. So I have stopped putting bets on the account for about 3 weeks. So I had a little break. Now it's 17th of December. And I'll keep scrolling down to find a recent date, and today is Saturday, December the 30th, and I'll do my best to upload this video to my channel as soon as I finish recording it. It is now 6 minutes 19 seconds. I appreciate your time you're spending on this channel watching this video. I hope you can give it a like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with people you think might be of interest to them. Thank you very much for doing that. Turkey Super League, that's Turkey, and we are now on the 25th of December, so we're nearly there. I need the 30th of December, 26th, December 26th. England National League, and I don't know, but for some time now I wasn't able to see so many teams from the Premier League on this spreadsheet on the Excel. In a minute I'm going to show you the new software and how I'm going about it. I don't really have so much experience with it just yet, so I'm still learning how to work with it, how to generate the list of potential teams that can score at least 2 goals in a game. And the software is capable of a lot more actually when it comes to predicting football results, as a very comprehensive software. And I know a lot of people is using it already because it provides you with so many different filters and possibilities to create, you know, the forecasts, or to give you suggestions for your next bets or your next sport trades, whichever you're doing. Because if you're using Betfair, for example, it will be called more of a sports trading. And when I'm just doing bets, it's just a simple sport betting. That's 2 different things. Because on the Betfair you will be either laying, or you can either lay, or you can do the other option there, which I'm not really into it, because that usually means I have to be there and follow the market, look at when the score is gold, maybe pull the money out and leave the rest of the stake, and that's not what I'm going to do. My strategy is set and forget, where I'm placing my bets and I'm closing the platform, the betting platform, and then I just open it again the next day and I see what the result was, or even a few days later. So 28th of December, that was Spain La Liga. That was probably some of the selections I could have added to my travel list. There was Turkey Super League, that's usually not available on the bookie account. England League One, that could have been available. Now we're on the 29th of December, 30th of December, that's today. And today I think I'm going to skip actually Valenciennes. And let's see if there's any matches for tomorrow, 31st of December, last day of this year. Villarreal, there is Spain La Liga. So there we are. Let's start looking for some teams now. Israel, that's not something I'll be interested in. That's Spain La Liga, Valencia. I'll do maybe 3 teams here and then I'll switch to the CGM, because it's now 9 minutes and 53 seconds in this video and I have now just over 5 minutes left to record in this video. So quick 3 selections. Click on the search button as always. Control C is copy, Control V is paste, and I'm looking for Valencia Villarreal, and that's the one there. And let's just quickly check now what the odds are for over 1.5. 125, that's actually not what I'm looking for. I will be looking for up to 1.19 maximum. These are too high odds, so I'm not taking it. Spain La Liga again, FC Barcelona Espanyol. Control C, copy. Then I'm going to open a search window, delete everything what was in it, and do Control V for pasting. And I'm looking for Espanyol FC Barcelona, which not necessarily is there. This one actually isn't. One last selection, well, Simru, Saudi Arabia, Scotland League 1. I don't usually do Scottish leagues. Sterling, Scotland, that's Australia. Wolverhampton, Manchester United, England Premier League, 31st, so that's tomorrow. This is the last match I'm checking here. So in my search window, I will clear everything I have, Control V for pasting. Let's see what comes up, and I'm looking for Wolverhampton, Manchester, and I don't have it. I don't understand why. Let me check quickly my Betfair account. On the very top above what you are seeing here, I've got the search window where I pasted Wolverhampton, and I don't have the selection there either, as you can see. So now it's time for the CGM bet system software to open and start working with it. So today I'm only going to show it to you for maybe 2 minutes. How do I actually initiate the software? So I just got it updated. Before I got it updated, I had here information in the middle after I've opened on the main screen that there is new updates available, which I have done. And this is some information there if you want to use the database in Excel without opening the CGM bet software. I don't know how to get rid of this bar. I cannot just drag it. So I've clicked on it. I don't know, it's opening the website. Anyway, I know that I need to click on upcoming. Software gives some beeping sounds. Now it's 13 minutes and 7 seconds in this video. And what I'm needing to do now is, I don't really know how to get rid of it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so, and I have done something wrong. I don't know what to do now. And as far as I remember, I had to do something there on the right hand side. You can't really see this much. I'm not too sure now what I have to do. I'll try this. And so it was the upcoming, and then I had some so now that I know how to move this bar over, I can do this. If you want to use the database in Excel without opening the CGM bet software, click here. So that's what I did, and the website has opened, and it's all going to be explained a little bit more in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate your time. I understand I haven't provided you with so much value in this video. But tomorrow I'll be recording another one for you, and will be solely dedicated to explaining how I work with the CGM bet system software. And underneath this video I will include the link so you can check it out if you want. There is a free version available to download for you to test it out. Once again, thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. All the best with your future football predictions. and bye.